Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bar Personal Size Portable Blenders USB Rechargeable 11.84 ounces BPA-Free Blender Juice. Here is a perfect option for a portable blender that provides top-notch services and reliable uses. The blender is designed to blend your favorite smoothies and juices, hence a pick that will suit your needs. Other than this, the portable blender has a detachable 11.84 ounces capacity cup for making more juices. Additionally, it is a sleek and compact blender that you can easily carry with you when traveling for use in most places. It has a convenient carrying handle for reliable use plus excellent for both fruits and vegetables. Moreover, it has food-grade stainless steel blades that will smoothly cut, making it a fantastic option that serves your needs. To add more, the blender is also very powerful to offer up to 20,000 high rotation speeds. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lacomri Portable Powerful Crusher for Veggies and Fruits. The blending of the favorite fruits and vegetables is now simpler when you get this quality portable blender. It is a fine pick that is recommended for healthy smoothies and juices. More interestingly, the portable blender is fitted with powerful stainless steel blades to offer smooth efficient extraction of the nutrients. Additionally, it also has a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, making it a pick that will serve you best. The good news is that the portable blender also has a large 14 ounces BPA-free detachable cup. You can, therefore, blend more juice and smoothies. The sleek ergonomic design of the blender means that it is simpler to carry and use. What is more, it has a simpler control button for elementary regulation of the functions. The non-slip rubber feet make it safe for use on every surface. It has a lightweight portable design, which allows for better carriage and storage. It is excellent for use when camping, traveling, and hiking among others. Lastly, the cup is detachable for elementary cleaning, hence a great option that will serve you accordingly. At number 3, we have the NutriBullet 600W Nutrient Extractor Portable Blender. Here is another reliable and convenient portable blender that you will find a favorite for your blending needs. The product is designed to offer fast and reliable blending thanks to the powerful 600W motor system. More interestingly, the blender has a quality nutrient extractor to extract the nutrients from fruits and vegetables. With this, it provides very healthy tasty blends and smoothies. What is more, this portable blender is equipped with powerful extractor blades, which means that it is a great option that will serve you best. The good news is that the product has a larger 24 ounces BPA-free cup for blending more juice. It also has a lid that will lock to keep it safe when blending. Due to the lightweight compact design, a blender is a great option that will suit your budget. At number 2, we have the Little Bees USB Electric 530 ml Mini Portable Blender. In case you need a great selection of portable blender, Little Bees USB Electric Blender is a great option to try out. This unit has a lightweight portable design, making it excellent for use in most spaces. The product also has a built-in rechargeable battery to offer a longer runtime. More interestingly, it also has a safety design, which means that it is simpler to operate. Available in a wide range of colors, you get to choose the ideal option. Again, the portable blender also has food-grade stainless steel material for extended durability. It also has a large capacity cup for blending more juice. And finally at number 1, we have the G-TING 450 ml Personal Smoothie Cordless Blender. Here is a special selection of a cordless blender that you can use outdoors for reliable blending. It is a sleek compact unit that you can easily carry when traveling. More interestingly, the unit has a large capacity of 450 ml, which makes it a pick that will blend more juices and smoothies. Additionally, it also has food-grade stainless steel blades, which means that it is safe for blending and extracting the nutrients. It has a detachable jug that is easy to clean and maintain. The product also has a simple control button for elementary use. The base of the unit is non-slip for use on most surfaces. Lastly, it comes in a wide range of colors to choose the ideal option that serves your needs. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.